Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will crochet this stitch. It has a right side and a wrong side, so keep in mind when you are designing or creating. It looks okay with a solid color. I think it will look even better with multicolored. For the crochet hook, I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, cotton yarn from Hobby Lobby. The stitch calls for chains, single crochets, double crochets, and a double crochet two together. So it's for a little more advanced beginners to intermediate. The repeat is 4 rows. As usual, the diagram is at the end of the video. If you are ready, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook. Let's get to work. The pattern calls for multiples of 10 plus 3 at the end, and here I have 33. Yarn over and double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So the chain 3 is our double crochet, then the second double crochet, and then we have the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next 5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
and here the repeat starts. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next 5, going on, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2. If you are continuing, then 5 double crochets. If you are finishing, then 1 double crochet into the next 3 or to the last 3. 1, 2, and 3. And let's take a look at the first row, what we've got. We started with 3, we finished with 3, and whatever is in between. Chain 1, it's just a turning chain, 1 single crochet in each of the 3, so the chain 1 doesn't count, 1 single crochet in the next 3, chain 2, 2 double crochets together, so yarn over, insert into the single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, don't finish, yarn over, go into the single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and here you can see the 2 unfinished double crochets, yarn over, pull through all the stitches, all the chains, and these are double crochet 2 together. To be honest, I'm looking at the diagram, I would probably want to put 3 together, but let's follow the pattern. So chain 2, skip the 2 chains, and 1 single crochet in each of the double crochets. And this is our repeat. Chain 2 into skip 2 or 3, skip the 3 chains, work into the single crochet, 2 double crochets together, chain 2, and move into the next group of double crochet, put a single crochet in each, and so on until you reach the end of the row. And to complete the row, chain 2 and 1 single crochet into the remaining 3 stitches. 1, 2, and the last one goes into the 3rd chain from the beginning of the previous row. And these are 2 rows complete. Chain 1, that's just a turning chain, it doesn't count. Single crochet into the 1st stitch, chain 3, 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, 1 double crochet into the tip of these 2 together, and 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet into the 3rd single crochet of the next group. See, we had 5 here, so you skip the 2, you single crochet here, and then chain 3, move into the next section, 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, 1 double crochet into the tip of the double crochet 2 together, and 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Let's see what we have. This is what we have. Now we'll continue with the repeat. Chain 3, skip 2 single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So if you've been following me for a long time, you probably already know that I will undo this row and I will work into the chains rather than around them, like I do here. And we'll finish the row with chain 3, and we'll single crochet into the last stitch, into the single crochet. This is how it looks like. Chain 5, the chain 3 will count as a double crochet plus chain 2, and we'll go directly into the group of 5 double crochets, and we'll work a single crochet in each of the double crochets.
2, 3, 4, 5,
chain 2, double crochet 2 together into the single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet into the next group of 5 double crochets, and this is how the repeat will go. So let's take a look at what we have. And as you can see, the blocks are in a checkmate position, as well as these double crochets, the I don't know, flowers, tulips, whatever they are. Let's keep going. Chain 2, 2 double crochets together into the single crochet, chain 2 again, and 1 single crochet in each of the double crochets. And we'll end the row with chain 2 and a double crochet into the single crochet. There's that. Chain 3, that will count as our double crochet, plus 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, and you can work either around or into. I will work into the chain, so double crochet into the next chain and double crochet into the next chain. So this row will resemble this row. Chain 3, skip 2 single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next 5. So we'll work into the chain, then into the next chain, or you will work into the chain 2 space, however you want, into the chain 2, double crochet 2 together, and then into the chains. And carry on, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next 5. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next 3. So into the chain, then into the following chain, and then into the following chain, which is our 3rd chain that we counted as a double crochet. And here is what we have. From now on, we will repeat 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 2nd, 4th, 3rd, 5th. So repeat of 4 rows, back and forth, until you reach the desired length of whatever project you're working on. And here are a couple of repeats later. This is what we have and what we're looking at. I think it will look really nice with different colors, but it also looks decent with a solid color. And I would assume this is the wrong side and this is the right side. I think it looks pretty neat. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Also ring the bell. I don't upload as consistently as I used to. Life is just too busy, so hitting the notification bell will notify you every time I post. Yeah, have a great day. Bye.